Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our price action strategy. I will explain you the setup and we'll discuss the strategy so that you can apply the same while trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart, as you can see, and currently we are analyzing 1 minute candlestick chart. This is 1 minute candlestick chart and we are going to take a trade for 5 minutes. This is binary option trading. This is not forex trading, so you don't have to worry about the target and the stop losses. So let's first understand which way the market wants to go. So it's clear that the market is in uptrend, but if you look carefully on this chart, you will see that some retracement in this phase is required. And if you go with the momentum, you will see that in the beginning, in this section, you will see the sharp move in the upward direction by the market. But after that, you can see the angle is declining and the momentum is dying, which means that in the future, in the near future, market is going to retrace back in the downward direction. So although the trend is uptrend here, I am thinking that market in the future will reverse and will go down because the momentum, you can see, it's dying. So the number of sellers will increase in the future and market will going to fall. So we are going to trade in the opposite direction of the current trend, which is uptrend here. So we'll find some key levels which we are going to use, which will support our view in the movement of the market on the downside. So right now, as you can see, if we go by price action, market is still creating higher highs, you can see, and still the trend is uptrend. But once market created a low, then we can use that price action to go with the setup. So right now we don't have this setup. The strategy which we are going to use are not acceptable here on this current scenario because we are targeting to trade in the downward direction. So first of all, let's draw some key levels. As you can see, I'll start by drawing a trend support level, and you can see this is a swing low and I am connecting these swing lows here, and you will see this is where the market is supporting. So this is a confirmed trend support level. Now as you can see, if we go by price action, this is the low, this is the high, this is the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is again the higher low. Now until the market break this price action, we can't trade in the opposite direction because till then market will move in the upward direction. So right now what I'm thinking here is that if market, as you can see, it created this higher low swing, and in the future if market break this higher low swing and closes below somewhere around here, then we can say that the trend is now changing and we can go for a short trade here. But for that we have to wait because currently market is creating higher highs, which means that market wants to go up, but I'm not going in the upward direction because the momentum, you can see, it's dying and some retracement is also required in this case. So it is going to take some time, but I am going to take the trade in the direction of the in the opposite direction of the trend, which is downtrend. So let's wait. It is going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video to save some time, and as soon as I take the trade, I will start explaining you why I took this trade. So I'm going to use the price action, some support levels, and a candlestick confirmations in this scenario. So let's wait. So we have taken the trade after waiting for an hour. So now let's wait for the result. The result will be out in the next 5 minutes. So I have taken a breakout. As you can see here, market created a reversal pattern here. It was a head and shoulder pattern, but again market retraces back, got reversal from the same resistance level, and now we can see that the neckline has been broken by this strong confirmation candle. So I put a trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade easily. It took me 1 complete hour of patience and waiting to put this trade, but it was worth waiting. Now let's get back to the result and the setup. So first of all, I will remove everything. So when I started this trading session, market was here, and the first thing that I explained was that the momentum, as you can see here, on this uptrend was dying. As you can see, in the beginning it was very steep, the move was very steep, but with the time you can see the angle, it was declining, which means the momentum was dying, and at the end market needs to retrace back or it has to change its trend. So in my mind, I was in the favor of market reversing, and that is why I was waiting for the market to give the price action so that I can put my trade in the downward direction. So to do that, see, I have that setup in my mind that I will going to trade in the downward direction. But to support my view, I need some evidences like price action, some reversal pattern, some breakout. So what I did in the beginning, I just draw this support trend line. As you can see, market was here. It was here. So what I did, I draw this support trend line, and you can see, as this is a confirmed trend line, you can see the 3 touches. This is the first, second and third. So it's a confirmed trend line, and market was respecting this trend line, and in the future it respected this again. So what I was thinking, that once market broke this trend line in the downward direction, then we can say that now the market, the price action is changing. And one more thing which I also focused was the higher low swing. You can see these are the higher low swing. This is the higher low swing. This one is also the higher low swing, higher low swing, and higher low swing. And we all know that when market create higher lows and higher highs, then the market is moving in an uptrend. So what I need is a price action that supports that now market is going downward, which means that we have to find market creating lower lows. So for that, market needs to break this higher low swing to create a low, so that we can say now the price action has changed. You can see this was the point, and here market almost broke this higher low swing, but it was not broken. We got a breakout here, but I didn't place the trade after this breakout. The reason is simple, it is because you can see this was the higher low swing, and as until this level is broken, I am not sure if market is going to go down. So the higher low swing was not broken, so I didn't place my trade here because there is a support level which this swing low is working as. So I didn't place a trade, and it was a fortunate decision because you can see market reverses instantly after hitting this level. But after some time, as you can see, I also draw another trend line from this upper levels, and look what happens. I will just see the use of this trend support level was to see if market is breaking it. Once the market broke this level, it is of not that much of our use, so I can hide it now. So after hiding that support trend line, as the market broken that level, what I was focusing on this particular chart pattern. So this is a chart pattern of descending triangle, as you can see, and Here, as you can see, it was the breakout candle. Market again retraces back. I draw this trend resistance level to see if market is again breaking the price action and it is going in the upward direction, but you can see it gives a fake out. Now this fake out might be coming because of this resistance level. As you can see, this is the previous resistance level and market respected this level and reverses from the same level. So it might be the case that this particular trend resistance was not working. So this is the horizontal level of resistance which was working, because if you look carefully you will see that this is the head, this is the shoulder, and this one is the second shoulder. So this is a head and shoulder pattern, which is again a sign of reversal. Market should be breaking this neckline after reaching here, but it didn't happen. Market again retraces back. It hit the previous resistance, which was also the resistance which was present on the shoulder of this chart pattern. Market again reverses, and here it was here market broke the level clearly. Now I put my trade here because of so many reasons. The first one is, as you can see, market created a reversal pattern, so I was in the favor. So it was a good thing that now market can fall down. As I was in the favor of market going down, this was the first sign that market is breaking the support level and it is breaking the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. The second one is, as this was the higher low swing, market broke this higher low swing here, which means that the price action is changing and you can put your trade. The third thing, you can see the momentum was dead almost and market failed to create higher high, which means that the momentum is changing and we should be looking for a reversal sign. So the first thing was the reversal pattern, which is head and shoulder. The second one is the breakout of the higher low swing, and you can see that market was respecting this resistance level clearly. So I put my trade here, the confirmation was here, and if we go by price action, this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high, or you can say this is the lower high and this is the lower low. So our downtrend was confirmed here, but we need a proper entry point, and that's why I waited for the market to break this particular level, because this is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, as well as this is the place where the last higher low swing was formed. So all in all, market broke this level, and you can see after that market is falling smoothly. So that is the whole reason why I placed this trade. I was in the favor of market falling down. I then applied all the setup, all the technicals tool, the price action, to see if market is ready to retrace back in the downward direction, and I waited for a breakout with a clear candlestick confirmation. So all in all, what I used here, I used the higher low swing breakout with a candlestick confirmation, some reversal pattern, and I also focused on the price action. So these are the things which I used in this trading session, and I hope that you have learned something new from this trading session. I think I have explained it very clearly in as simple language as possible. So if you still have some doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.